Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to add voiceovers in SHOTCUT. So we have our clip right here and obviously some extra tracks that I'll use later. And the first thing you're going to want to do is probably mute your project. You obviously don't want it to be too loud, so you can just apply the mute filter when you hit the plus. After that, you're going to want to navigate up to open other up here, click it, and go down to audio/video device. After you click that, you can obviously change video and audio inputs. So for my camera, obviously it's going to be a voiceover, so I actually don't want any video at all, so I'm just going to select none. And for my audio, right now it's selected as my webcam, but I want to change it over to my Blue Snowball, which is actually my microphone. And everything after you've done that, you're just going to hit OK. And it's going to take you to this white screen where it's going to echo. So what you're going to want to do is hit capture file, add a name. So for example, we'll just say adding voiceovers, and as soon as we say press save, it's going to immediately start recording. So you're going to want to make sure you're ready. So for this, I'm just going to say hi. Hi everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. After you're done, you're going to hit stop capture over here, and it's going to put it up to here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now, after you're done, you're going to hit stop capture over here. After you've gotten that, you're going to go into the white part of this, drag it, and drop it into an audio track. Once again, you make that by hitting right click and open space down here and hitting audio track, the first one. And if we just hover over it and play, hi everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. After you're done, you're going to hit stop capture over here. And boom, we've got our voiceover. If you guys enjoyed this one, make sure to like. If it helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one, and comment other suggestions on videos I should make. Thanks.